Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For all those who are new, please subscribe, like and share. Today we are going to talk about the different coffee corner setups, all the different coffee corner ideas to design a coffee corner at home with the best decoration and look for your home. Millions of people around the world drink coffee in many different types or in many different ways. So that makes coffee a very important aspect in our daily life. There are certain techniques and production methods in the preparation and drinking of coffee. You can create a nice atmosphere of enjoying coffee in your home, and you can create a special coffee corner to drink coffee with guests. Coffee corner decorations can be simple and small, all warm space with all the necessary tools like the coffee machines, or they can be in a colorful and mixed decor. The location of the coffee corner is usually in a corner with a different view in the living room or in the kitchen. You can also design the coffee corner in any suitable place in your home. This is entirely up to you depending on your style, your decor, or your design or your favorites. So this coffee corner, you will decorate it with different pictures of coffee and cups. In this coffee corner, you'll also add up some cups of different sizes because coffee is consumed differently by different people. You can also choose any decoration style of coffee corner, whether it should be rustic, vintage, modern, or country. You can use it for decoration on chalkboards, signs, shelves, cup holders, flowers, or whatever you think of. You can also turn an old cabinet into a coffee corner and brighten up the interior. You can also add up some plants, either artificial or natural, depending on your sense of style. It will look great. Depending on the coffee you drink, store coffee machines, heaters, and other applicants in the corner. And also make sure you have the different types of coffee that you'll choose from, because remember, coffee is consumed differently. Some consume it as espresso, others consume it as cappuccino, others consume it as Turkish coffee. So depending on the different types that you would want to include in your coffee corner, make sure all the different types of coffee you have them, because remember that coffee corner is a place where you'll be having different types of coffee with your guests. And don't forget, also add up or brighten up the area with a good lightening style to make it look rich, classy, and elegant. And put the different items, ingredients in one place, because the coffee corner, you'll find it in one place. It's not a place that you will be moving, or it's not a place that you'll be finding in different places in your home. No, it's a place that suits in one corner, or that a place that you normally find in one corner. And also always add up some sweets, cakes, chocolates, all add up some different types of sweets that normally go with the coffee, because remember, some coffee is consumed with sugar, whilst other coffee is not consumed with sugar. So all those different ideas, put them together so that you can make the best coffee corner setup. And always consider the decorations, the decor, and the color of your sofas, because remember, when we are decorating, or when we are setting up something that involves furniture or involves decoration or involves anything, as long as it's going to be in the living room, we should always consider the colors so that we can bind together everything and make a good and classy, elegant look. So let me hope the different ideas in this video will help you to set up the best coffee corner in your house. Thank you so much for the support. I do appreciate you all, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my daily uploads. I love you so much. Hugs and kisses to all of you. Bye bye.